Hey, Clay.
Show me your smile. Let's model our masterpiece, a snail. We're going to use 4 colors of clay: light pink, light red, white, and black. Let's start with a body. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a cylinder with your hands. Make a deepening with your finger. And bend it with your fingers. Make the mouth with a pencil. Great job! The body is done. Model the basis for the eyes. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. And pin them with your finger. Congratulations! The basis for the eyes is done. Model a tongue. Take a piece of light red clay and roll 1 little ball. Then roll it into a sausage with your fingers. And pin with your finger. Well done! The tongue is done. Let's model eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. done it! Eyes are done! Now make pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Model cheeks. Take a piece of light pink clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. You've done it! Cheeks are done. Now make a shell. Take a piece of light red clay. Roll 1 middle ball. Then roll it into a carrot with your hand. And wrap a shell with your fingers. Hooray! The shell is done. Your snail is great. How about another figure?
I think I could be sent to an exhibition. I would get first prize.
소루바 주부두